Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest tech gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best selfie light ring available in the market. The NEEWER Professional Ring Light with Stand and Phone Holder. Let's shed some light on why this ring light stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about its design and portability. This ring light is not only sleek but also ultra-thin at just 0.7 inches thick, making it incredibly portable and perfect for on-the-go setups. Whether you're a makeup artist, content creator, or vlogger, this ring light's distinct outer shell adds a touch of elegance to your setup. Now, what sets this ring light apart is its versatility and advanced features. With 320 high-quality LED beads, you get precise brightness and color temperature control ranging from 2900K to 7000K. This ensures flicker-free, glare-free illumination, perfect for achieving that flawless look on camera. But wait, there's more. The NEEWER Professional Ring Light comes equipped with Bluetooth remote and mobile app control, allowing you to adjust settings wirelessly from up to 66 feet away. Whether you're shooting solo or need to control the lighting from a distance, this feature offers convenience and flexibility. Don't just take my word for it. Let's hear what others have to say. Customers rave about the ease of setup, brightness, and versatility of this ring light. From professional makeup artists to content creators, everyone agrees. The NEEWER Professional Ring Light delivers exceptional performance. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a top-notch selfie light ring that offers superior lighting control, portability, and advanced features, look no further than the NEEWER Professional Ring Light with Stand and Phone Holder. Trust me, it's a game-changer for your content creation needs. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unbiased reviews. Until next time, happy filming!